So this is the state of our tiny home. The bed needs to go up. This all needs to be cleaned up. The worst part is obviously this part and the kitchen. We've actually done quite a bit of work here, even though it doesn't look like it, but I thought I'd do a come clean the tiny house with me. We're borrowing this from my in-laws. We just got this. I just finished laundry, so I had to put that away. So there's a lot of stuff that needs to go. But I thought I'd take you along as we clean this hot mess up. Because we've been busy and haven't had much time. I finished cleaning, sweeping. I have to do the dishes now. I'm gonna wipe down this countertop because there's still a little bit of dirt on here, and I'm gonna wipe it down one more time. And then I'm gonna wipe down the stove and do the dishes. And then I think I'm gonna send my husband to go get more paper towels because we need more paper towels. And then we're done cleaning and I can get back to doing what I need to do, which is edit a different YouTube video. And then maybe I'll start editing this video actually. Yeah, sounds like a good idea. Anyways, I'm gonna do all the dishes now. And then I know my husband wants to start juicing his oranges, so maybe he'll do that. We still have a project outside to finish and clean up, and I need to text my friend to see if I can borrow her trash can to throw away our trash, since we're not really using my parents' trash can, because they have a small one, and it just doesn't make sense to us. So my friend offered, and it's a lot easier. Plus my mom goes through our trash for some reason because she's worried that we don't recycle properly. She's a little bit of a narcissist, so, and she's very controlling. So we've decided, we were throwing it in my in-laws, but then my father-in-law, his dad, complained about it and said no. And so our friend offered, and we said sure. Well, actually we said we'll think about it, and now we're saying sure. So I have to contact her. We've been going through a rough patch in life right now. She means well, but it comes across very negatively, and I've been working on her and letting her know, like, you need to think before you speak and think about the way you're gonna say things. And so we're going through a rough patch. I wish my other friend was here, honestly. It was fun having her here in San Diego, and she is now back up way far away in California. California is huge. She's at the very top almost, and we're at the very bottom. So she's far, far away. I hope one day she finds a job down here, or Austin and I move to a different state. Then technically it doesn't matter. So that is life.